Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're exploring 25 woodworking tools under $50 that can upgrade your workshop while keeping your budget in check. Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Oscillating Multi-Tool features a powerful 1.5 amp motor that delivers up to 22,000 oscillations per minute for fast and efficient cutting and sanding. Its durable metal gear head ensures long-lasting performance. The ergonomic design with a soft grip offers comfort and control, even in tight spaces. Polishing Compound. The Polishing Compound and Leather Strop set offers professional quality knife sharpening. The set includes 4 Bacher polishing compounds and a softening balm for precise, mirror-finish edges on knives, razors, and tools. Durable, handcrafted, and easy to use, it ensures sharp, polished results every time. Wood Carving Tool Set. The Wood Carving Tool Set includes 12 high-quality chisels and gouges, perfect for beginners and hobbyists starting projects like reliefs, figures, spoons, and bowls. Made from durable chromium vanadium steel hardened to Rockwell C60, the blades maintain a sharp edge even with repeated use. Each tool features a sturdy ashwood handle with an octagonal shape for comfort and stability. Miter Box and Saw Set. The Miter Box and Saw Set is a versatile, durable toolkit for DIY enthusiasts. It includes an ergonomic handle, a sturdy miter box, and 3 interchangeable blades for cutting wood, plastic, drywall, and soft metal. T-Square Ruler. The 29-inch T-Square ruler is a precise and versatile tool for woodworking and carpentry. It combines 4 functions for accurate layout and marking, with adjustable angles from 15 to 165 degrees for flexible measurements. Setup Blocks. The setup blocks are precision tools designed to quickly and accurately set the height of fences, blades, bits, and other cutters. This 15-piece height gauge set includes clearly marked aluminum blocks that can be stacked or combined in multiple ways for precise measurements. Ideal for table saws, routers, and other cutting tools. Each block is anodized for durability and laser etched for easy reading. Automatic Center Punch. The Automatic Center Punch is a precision tool designed for marking exact drill points on metal, wood, plastic, and other materials. It features a spring-loaded mechanism that delivers a consistent strike without the need for a hammer. Oscillating Tool Blade. The Oscillating Tool Blade set includes 50 high-carbon steel blades and 4 titanium blades, designed for woodworking and light metal cutting. Compatible with most major oscillating tool brands, the blades feature a universal 3-clip adapter system for easy installation. Made from high-quality alloy and carbon steel, they undergo high-temperature hardening for superior durability, hardness, and wear resistance. Screwdriver Drill Bit. The Screwdriver Drill Bit set is built for strength, precision, and durability. Each bit is hardened to 62 HRC for exceptional wear resistance and made from heat-treated alloy steel to withstand heavy-duty use. Perfect for woodworking, automotive, electronics, and home DIY projects. Mechanical Carpenter Pencil. The Mechanical Carpenter Pencil set includes 3 long-nose marker pens, 3 mechanical pencils, an engraving pen, and 36 refills in red, yellow, and black. Each pencil features a 45mm extended tip for precise marking in deep or narrow spaces and a built-in sharpener for convenience. The ergonomic, non-slip design ensures comfort during use. Mini Positioning Square. The Mini Positioning Square is made from high-quality aluminum alloy with an anodized finish for durability and corrosion resistance. Compact and lightweight, it measures 2.63 inches long, 1.64 inches wide, and 0.51 inches thick. 90-degree clamp. The 90-degree clamp holds boards securely at right angles for gluing, welding, or assembly. Made from durable, impact-resistant nylon, it stays rigid under pressure. Available in 2.3-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch sizes, it's perfect for making boxes, drawers, cabinets, and frames with precise alignment. Dovetail Jig. The Dovetail Jig features a solid aluminum layout for perfectly aligned joints and an integrated clamp that fits any board width. It includes a 14-degree 1/2-inch dovetail router bit and a user guide for easy setup. Suitable for both beginners and professionals, It creates precise half-blind and through dovetail joints for boxes, drawers, and furniture. Hand planer. The hand planer features a durable cast iron body for strength and stability, ensuring smooth, accurate planing. Its impact-resistant plastic handle offers a comfortable, secure grip for better control. The sharp steel alloy blade delivers clean, precise cuts, while the adjustable gear allows easy fine-tuning for professional quality results on any woodworking project. Contour Gauge Tool. The Contour Gauge Tool is a practical and accurate shape duplicator ideal for woodworking, flooring, tiling, and other DIY projects. It features 5-inch and 10-inch gauges with 0.05-inch thin pins for precise contour tracing. The adjustable tightness ensures smooth pin movement, while dual-sided inch and centimeter scales make measuring easy. Multi-Angle Carpenter Square. The Multi-Angle Carpenter Square is a 3D aluminum alloy measuring tool designed for precision in woodworking and engineering projects. It measures angles from 22.5 to 90 degrees, making it ideal for marking, scribing, and measuring complex shapes. Wood Carving Disc Set. The wood carving disc set is made of durable carbon steel, ensuring strength and long-lasting performance. Designed for 4-inch and 4.5-inch angle grinders, it fits most standard models like Makita, Bosch, and DeWalt. It offers smooth operation and efficient material removal for projects ranging from rough shaping to fine detailing. Abrasive Cleaning Stick and Blocks. The abrasive cleaning stick and blocks are made from professional-grade natural rubber for durability and long-term use. They effectively clean sanding belts, discs, and other abrasive tools by removing dust, pitch, glue, and residue without harming the grit. Easy to use while the sander is running, they restore sanding surfaces to like-new condition. 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. The 5-inch Random Orbital Sander is a powerful and efficient tool for sanding wood, paint, and metal surfaces. Its 360-watt motor delivers up to 14,000 RPM for smooth, precise results with minimal vibration. Featuring 6 variable speed settings, it allows you to adjust sanding power for different materials. Gorilla Wood Filler. Gorilla Wood Filler provides strong, water-resistant repairs for cracks, gouges, and holes in wood. Its smooth, easy-to-spread formula creates a natural finish that can be sanded, painted, or stained for a perfect match. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects, it won't shrink or crack over time. Adjustable Spokeshave. The adjustable Spokeshave set includes 2 Spokeshaves in different sizes, 4 replaceable blades, and a portable mini woodworking plane. Made from durable SK2 steel with a hardness of 58 to 60 HRC, the blades offer excellent wear resistance and precision cutting. Featuring corrosion-resistant coating and ergonomic handles, the tools provide comfort and control for fine woodworking. GlueMate. The GlueMate holds 15 ounces of wood glue or other liquids and features a double-chamber design for smooth and easy dispensing. It comes with 2 interchangeable tips, a precision doweling tip and a flat biscuit tip, for different applications. The bottle works at any angle, and the anti-drip tip with sealing caps prevents mess while keeping the glue fresh for future use. Rubber Mallet. The rubber mallet is built for professional and DIY use with a durable triple wedge construction that secures the head to a genuine hickory handle. The lightweight handle provides a comfortable grip and excellent control. Square Ruler. The square ruler combines the functions of a rafter and triangle ruler for precise measuring, marking, and calibration. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy with laser-engraved scales, it ensures long-lasting accuracy and clarity. Its 3D design allows measurement of length, width, height, and angles from 0 to 90 degrees without rotating the tool. Solid Brass Inlay Set. The Solid Brass Inlay Set is designed for creating precise bow inlays, repairs, and decorative details in woodworking projects. It includes a solid carbide, 1/4-inch downcut spiral bit, and a quick change bushing for easy setup. The downcut design ensures clean edges and minimizes chipping. Compatible with Porter cable, Black & Decker, and other routers using a Porter cable-style bushing adapter, this set offers accuracy, convenience, and professional quality results. That's our list of 25 woodworking tools under $50. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Chopbusters for more woodworking tips and tool guides.